Nice to meet you, everyone. So my name is Nathan. I'm the CEO at Nomiks. So let's jump into our pitch. Um, so what's the problem? The problem is tokenomics. It's complicated. No one really know how to do it. It's costly. If you're missing something, it's going to cost you a lot of money in remediation. That's the initial problem. So what did we come up with? The first software that can allow you to design and monitor your token economics. The first software is really a data-driven token economics software focusing on token metrics with market benchmark, economic benchmark. And the second software is a monitoring software to get two outputs. What's the selling pressure after after unlocks, following token unlocks, and how you can counterpart this selling pressure. And second is stress testing your token economy under different market conditions. So that's the solution. How it works rapidly, that I can answer when we come to the questions. The business model, it's a SaaS. We have one business model for the design software, $3,000 one-off. And we have another business model for the monitoring software. It's $4,000 per month. Regarding the team rapidly, it's a very skilled team. We've been working together for 2 years now. We've got some very skilled mathematicians, 3 PhDs, and myself. I've got 2 successful companies behind me, one exit and one that I brought to 50 employees. Regarding tractions, we've got great partners and KOLs. There will be a video released tomorrow by a lady of crypto regarding the software. So you can wait for that one. We're revenue making. We're forecasting $1.3 million revenue this year. We are reaching 150K in annual recurring revenue, and we're backed by CINI Capital. We talked about decentralized science, which I have not mentioned yet. Why? Because we are also going to launch our token. So we are an equity company and also launching a token in the decentralized science narrative, because we need data to feed our model, and we can leverage the reward of this data thanks to a token. I can answer question when it comes to the token as well. Rapidly regarding the roadmap is pretty straightforward and focusing on the product features and marketing right now. So we're raising 3 million both in equity and token SAFT. It's going to be balanced between product development and sales and marketing workforce. The good thing is that we've been working with a huge network of accelerator launchpads because we bring them, we send them projects that need to list after they've done their tokenomics, and now it's going to be out and to list a token. So we already have all the networks and know how to do it basically. Voila, that's it for me. I think I was below the 5 minutes, but that leaves more room for Q&A maybe.
A question, but more a feedback. So I like what you're building. For a while, I was following the project and what you're building. But I wanna ask you one question now. What will be like your main go-to-market strategy? And because now what I can understand is for every project that needs, for example, the tokenomics or something else, they're going directly to the agencies, which is like more focused on the privacy. But here it's like it's something that they will do by themselves. So what is your go-to-market strategy? How are you going to convert those people from the traditional method to this one?
So yeah, it's a good question. I'll answer regarding our token economics builder because we have 2 products. This one, we're going to the early stage ecosystem. That's the go-to-market. And to be transparent, the thing is the agencies, it represents a lot of money for them. So they need something when they need the tokenomics, they first need it to go fundraising. So they need the token metrics rather than everything that comes with it. So we're selling them the token metrics. We're sending them a funding structure, rewards system, everything that is scalable within the token launch. That's only the thing we're focusing. Then it's either consulting services, and then but we already opened the door for those guys. So either we take the contract because we have also a consulting department, or we send it to a partner. But our go-to-market is any early stage startup launching a token. We design the token metrics. it could be good for me as well to demo the product, but it gives you a lot more than just the Excel sheet. It's really a report. They can generate the light paper with the tool. They can share the light paper with their investors. Voilà, to answer shortly, that's what I can tell you, but more than happy to make a demo of the software as well.
Yeah, got it. Makes sense now. Thank you.
Hi, Nathan. I think what you're trying to build is great, but then I have a question here, which is seems to me for many early stage projects, they have the issue to basically design the token utility rather than sort of building an interface to monitoring the tokenomics in the future. So if you focus on like a really early stage, why would you say that they want to have you paid you for this service?
Yeah. So when I talked about the monitoring, sorry, I was maybe I wasn't clear. The monitoring product is only for projects that are already live with the token. So we have two products for two different avatars. But my goal, I wanted to be able to capture the project from the very early stage till when the token is live. So for the early stage project pre-TGE, they need the token economic builder. For the project that are past the TGE, they need the monitoring because they need to know what the selling pressure can be after each unlock. So voilà, there's two avatars. I'm not selling the monitoring product to the early stage startup. I'm really does that, Alan, does that answer your question, or do you need more explanation? Maybe.
Yeah, I got it.
Cool.
Thank you.